Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is a really great deal over at Walgreens if you can line it up and your store has the inventory, because yesterday evening I went to try it out and I even fell short inventory wise. So I'm going to need some of you in the comments down below to share your information with other shoppers because I could not land the plane. But I have alternative deals to get very cheap Olay or Old Spice body wash. First piece of business that we're going to address is this: a free 8x10 that ends today, which is Friday, July the 25th. One per account using the code GETYOURPRINT. A lot of us that have been getting the free print, when we go to the store and punch in our phone number, this magic has been printing. A 5 back when you spend 15, which is like, ooh, amazing. I noticed yesterday too in store, I did another transaction and then I had a 7 back when you spend 30 also print. Like, it was customers ahead of me, everybody was getting register rewards yesterday. So I know that a lot of you struggle with this. It's a free print, a free roll of the dice if you want to try that, and you're not even paying for the print. Punch your phone number in when you're getting your free print, and hopefully it's printing. Ask the cashier too, hey, is that machine printing today? They know exactly what you're talking about, and hopefully it works out. Okay, so the first deal that I'm going to show you guys is deal number 1, and you need your best friend, which is the 5 back when you spend 15, and hopefully you guys can get your hands on one of these, and that they are printing with the free prints pour vous. The first item that you're going to grab is 2 of the body washes, the 22 ounces for $7 a pop. It's on this promotion that when you spend 20, you're going to get back a $5 register reward. And we have a $3 digital coupon that is attaching. Unfortunately, I can't even show it to you because I can't find it in the app. And this is the IBOTTA rebate, which is $4 back when you buy 2. Make sure you have that as well. And then just to diversify the basket, we're going to throw in one of the bar soaps for $8. It's also on the same promotion of spend 20, earn that $5 register reward. And IBOTTA is giving back $2 for this one. Now, IBOTTA, for whatever goofy reason, it wasn't tracking any of the barcodes for these 6 counters, so you will have to email the Zendesk. So there is a little bit of fiddling around. Alternatively, if you want no fiddling around, just grab 3 of the liquid body washes. But this is the cart, 2 of these liquids and then 1 of the bar soap, and a lot of people really love bar soap. So just looking at a quick breakdown of this, 2 of the body washes for 14, and then 1 of the 6 count bar soaps for 8, for a total of 22. We have 1 $3 digital coupon melting off. If you don't know if you have this digital coupon on your account, yes or no, you know what I recommend, guys? What I would do is just throw a body wash in your basket. Is it coming off, yes or no? Easiest way to find out. Get the cashier to scan your paper booster, pay $19 with your debit card. You're getting back a $5 register reward and $5 in Walgreens cash, and then 4 for the liquid body wash, 2 for the bar soap, making it 3 for $3 or $1 per. Do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, as the promotion is spend 15 to earn back 5, that paper booster. So it's going to mess it up if you use a bunch of Walgreens cash, just to note that right off the top of the head. But what a deal for some cheap body wash. And if you are not about emailing IBOTTA and fiddling and farting around with that, what I recommend is just to grab the 3 liquid body washes, and it'll be like, I think $1.33 per unit, which is still fantastic, and you don't have to email customer service. Now we're doing another variation on this deal to get it for free with the 5 back when you spend 15 booster, and the Olay body wash that is attaching to this booster. It's some fancier ones, but I know that some of them should be $7, especially for the one with the plain bottle at the Fiji, the white one. Unfortunately, my store was completely sold out of every single Old Spice body wash. There wasn't a single one left on the shelf. I don't know why. If you want to try and do this deal, open up IBOTTA, make sure that all the rebates are there and attaching for you. But grabbing 2 of the liquid body washes and then 1 Old Spice for $7, that's 21 for the 3. We have a $3 digital for the Olay and a $3 digital for the Old Spice. That's $6 coming off. Get Scan that paper booster, give it to a cashier. You're going to pay $15 with your debit card. Get back $5 register reward for the promotion, $5 in Walgreens cash for the spend 15, earn back 5, $6 back from IBOTTA, 4 for the liquid Olay, and then 2 for Old Spice. It's on the same promotion of spend 20, earn back 5 register reward. So it makes it free plus a dollar money maker. And I would try this at friendly stores because if you have issues because you are breaking it up with an Old Spice and Olay, sometimes when you grab 2 items, the register reward will not print. There's that possibility too. So remember not to use any Walgreens cash for this one. But if you can try and make it happen, guys, because it's some free body wash. I think I'm going to be trying this on Saturday over on my Instagram. I'll let you know how I do, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.